Hello, I'm Brian, a traveling vegan chef, and today I am here with Fawn of Rad Rabbit. Hello, Fawn. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. Thank you
good.
for coming.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for making good pizza. So I've been going around Chiang Mai, seeing different local plant-based restaurants and their owners, and talking to them about their experiences and their motivations for starting their businesses. So I guess first question would be, what inspired you to open a pizzeria in the first place?
Yeah. So in Thailand, pizza is like a party food. So I thought that if I'm gonna open a vegan restaurant, I want like a community feel and also a food that's familiar to people.
Okay, so you wanted to encourage that community aspect, and
Yeah.
pizza is a big part of that.
Yes.
That Thai culture. Okay. So next question: what makes your pizza different besides being vegan, of course?
We make our sauce from scratch, and also we have like really good partnership with our suppliers. We know them by name. Saw earlier
Yeah, the
our
lettuce
salad
guy.
guy.
Yeah, with his
our
kid on his
lettuce
shoulder.
guy.
That's important to have like a strong connection with like the local producers. I think that makes you quite different. For all the new people visiting Chiang Mai who are interested in Rad Rabbit, what a pizza or what dish on the menu would you recommend for a first timer?
What's really popular among travelers is the vegan crispy chicken wrap.
Oh, okay. I've had that a couple times. It's
Yeah.
very good.
Yeah.
Okay, vegan chicken. Why would you say the chicken wrap?
Because it's fun and it's pretty easy to eat.
And people are in like the West as well. They love wraps.
Yeah.
You know, it's a very like staple lunch or snack.
And
so.
it's not as heavy as a pizza. So
Yeah, a lot of fresh lettuce and tomatoes, good sauce. Okay. As far as the pizza is concerned, what is your personal favorite pizza?
my favorite is the Green Wonder.
Green Wonder.
Green Wonder is the pesto-based pizza. But we put like some people say that there's salad on this pizza, which is a little bit true. We put sunflower sprouts on it with pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. So it's just something a little different from traditional tomato-based pizza.
And it's nice too because I think all those extra fresh vegetables really lighten up the pizza.
Yeah.
So it's a different experience from the extremely heavy like cheese and meat laden pizzas. What do you hope people feel when they come to your restaurant? I know you mentioned like community earlier. Is that the kind of feeling and experience you're hoping for?
Yeah, the most rewarding experience that I've had is when people who are not fully plant-based, they come to try our food and say, oh, this is something that I can have, once a week. I can bring my family and my friends here. So
Something that feels good and like is accessible and like
Yeah.
inspires people to come.
and
like, more again.
I want people to feel like they can make a difference with just that one meal.
I love that. It's powerful. What would you say to all the haters out there who say that vegan pizza cannot be good?
I've said this to all the haters too. Just try us.
You never know. And there's
Yeah.
bad pizza out there as well, and for non-vegans. So just give it a shot, and you'll definitely be surprised. Their pizza is excellent. All right. Well, thank you so much, Fawn.
Thank you.
Thank
Khop khun
you.
kha.
Khop khun kha. All right. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.